The best websites for entry-level remote jobs list. Upwork and Fiverr are great options for freelancers. Upwork uses a points-based system to determine the value of your services and forces newbies to compete on price. Both are free to join and feature hundreds of job postings. Here are the top 16. Keep watching to learn more about each. Then, here's a brief description of each one. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss the best websites for entry-level remote jobs. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. What's going on, my friends? I got some new job opportunities. Tonight we're going to talk about the best websites you can go to where you can look for remote jobs, entry-level remote jobs. So we're going to go through, I got 16 that we need to go through. But within this website, we probably won't have time to go to all of the jobs there, and I'll have the link in the description. But we will go through and identify the name of the places where you can get these jobs at. Okay, I'm gonna go to a site called Flex Jobs, and I've done a video on this before, and hopefully I'll have a link above here in this video here to link you back to it. So let's just go ahead and get into it, because that's 16 jobs and I don't want to really have you here for a long time. Now, I actually got this article from the Flex Jobs site, so we're gonna go through these. We got Achieve Test Prep, and this talks about academic support that provide test preparation for colleges, consulting services, and adults and parents and colleges bound children, dedicated to being advocates for students, company driven. So, and we could just look, we're gonna open the site and just take a look at it real quick and show you what is available, and look at all of the jobs: web programming, instructor, customer success chat, sales representative, collector supervisor. It just names on and on. These were posted, like they'll let you know what days they were posted. So look at all these jobs: customer retention specialist, quality assurance engineer, instructor, HR manager, Spanish instructor, web programmer, direct sales, dental hygienist. Okay, I mean, look at this. Is just from one company, guy. This is this Achieve Test Prep is from one of these companies that will provide you jobs. Isn't that awesome? So that's just one job. Let's go to the next one, because I don't want to make this video too long. The next one is Alorica, and we'll click on it, and let's just take a look at some of the jobs they got. And let's what type of company it is. Let's look through. It's an award-winning leading contact manager solution company. Alorica serves a business to consumer, B2C, and then it says clients across the healthcare, financial service, automotive technology, communication, retail, government, and travel industries. So let's just look at what jobs are available with them. Customer service representative, inbound customer service representative, talented acquisition recruiter, customer service specialist, workflow manager customer experience operator, team manager. Look at all of these jobs. Look at all. So we're talking about 16 companies with a ton of jobs. Look at my scroll. I'm not even to the bottom of the page, guys. It is a lot of jobs. So we're gonna move on to the next job. I'll have the link so you can go to it when you get here. AT&T. I know you familiar with AT&T. AT&T have been around for a minute. Let's see what kind of jobs they got. Oh man, they got jobs, and they even have jobs, I mean, all over the place. Customer support specialist, customer service representative, senior marketing manager. So, and I'm trying to see what these little icons here, I guess it's tell you what type of Fortune 500 company. I see icons like that. So lead marketing communication manager, senior advanced technical support, professional business management. AT&T, guys, AT&T, this was posted 3 weeks ago. Let's go to the next one, incorporation. And this is one of the nation's oldest, most established content marketing agent. So this is all about writing, should be about writing. Yeah, look what it says, digital content marketing strategies. A digital marketing account director, creative productive project manager. Look at all of these jobs. So where were we? We were just on number 4. We got to go to number 16. So the next one is calm.com. And let's see what they have to do. It is known for meditation. So dedicated to physical and digital product that enhances mental fitness and helps the individual to overcome various health issues like insomnia, like you can't sleep, stress, depression, and anxiety. Let's take a look at what they have. It's a lot of jobs, and that's senior clinical recruiter, direct clinical organization development. I don't know, I didn't look at the qualification. You have to look at the qualification to see if you qualify. We won't have time to do this. This video will be too long and you won't stay on it that long. I'm just giving you a preview of what's there. Product counselor. So you may have some kind of psychologist degree or whatever. So it's a lot of jobs. I mean, seriously, a lot of jobs. Okay, let's go on to the next one. And this was Collaboria. It's a company for ranges of industry, including financial service, communication, media, energy, utilities, retail, technologies, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and manufacturers. So let's just click on and look at some of the jobs that are there for this particular company. Let's just take a look at it. I guess human resource, human resource generalist, business analyst, source leading recruiter, technical recruiter, tax accounting. Yeah, just come here and look at all these jobs. Ungodly amount of jobs, really. So let's go to number 7. We're getting there. Let's open that up. CVS, CVS is a drugstore where you can go get health, your prescription filled and things of that nature. And what they're looking for is senior manager, distributor, database administrators, senior. So these are pretty good jobs right here. Claim benefits specialist, senior manager, financial planner, analyst. These are some good jobs. I'm not going into details on it, but these are good jobs, and they're all remote, guys. These are the top remote jobs. This is what we're going through. And Sierra.com offers language interpretation. So, and we'll click on that and just take a look at it and give you an opportunity to come here and take a look at all of these jobs. Yeah, look at all these interpretations that you want to go. So if you're bilingual, take a look at what jobs that are available with whatever language you can do interpreting for, and take a chance on it. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. Ip's Realty. It is a brokerage. Possible. Let me see what it does. Collaborate, community, cloud, office available, access business management, and transitional data. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what kind of, I guess it's really, is it actually selling houses or what? But yeah, you come in here and take a look at it. They got some pretty good jobs in here. They got some pretty good jobs. Social media coordinator, growth and expansion specialist, vice president / information technology, director, software engineer, product manager, account receivable coordinator. Yeah, let's go ahead and go on to the next one. Kelly, staffing company that specializes in placing workers in diverse industries. So let's take a look at what industry they can place people in. Let's just take a look at it. Yeah, customer service representative, clerk, information, talent acquisition coordinator, laboratory and manufacturer practice. Golly, a lot of jobs. Of all the videos I've created so far on this channel, this is the most diverse one I've seen so far. Just doing my research to find information. So let's go on to the next one. Language line solutions. So it's got to be some kind of, just guessing. It says established since 1982, Language Line Solution offers a face-to-face, over phone, and video conference interpreting and document translation service. I figured it had to be that. So if you're a part of that, because I mean, some translation places pay pretty good money. And as you go to the site, it tells you the many different interpreters that you want to do. Spanish, let me see, that was Arab. So I thought I saw some French, Vietnamese, Korean. So pretty cool. So let's move right along. We were at Randstad. Randstad is a global staffing agent and I guess human resources. So HR stands for where I come from. Service provider, service clients in diverse industries such as finance and accounting, engineering, healthcare, IT. And let's take a look at it. Let's go forward in it. Insurance rater, staff accounting, customer service representative, senior accountant, administrative assistant, tier 2, claims, customer service representative. You might have to have somewhat in it, some kind of background in it. All right, let's go on to the next one. Robert Half International, professional staffing and consulting powerhouse. Robert Half International provides specialized financial recruiting service with a focus on accounting and financing technology, legal, creative, marketing, and administrative. Let's just take a look and see what they got. Let's take a look. Data entry clerk. Yeah, that's basically helping out, typing, email, various different things. Medical administrative, executive administrative assistant, contact information, depends on what job is, help desk analyst. So that's the kind of jobs available for that particular. Sutherland is worldwide process transformation company with more than 60 global operations centers, over 120 clients, and 38,000 employees in 19 countries. So if you here and you're looking for something worldwide, you can see if your company is involved in it. So let's click on it to see if it's something that you might be interested in. Okay, customer service, automotive dealing manager, knowledge manager, banking associate, technical support, tier 1 representative, telecommunication, chat associate, training manager, mobile support associate, banking. So got a lot of different little things. Bilingual financial representative. So that means you teach you better speak multiple language. TruePill. Let's see what TruePill is about. It is connected to healthcare infrastructure and a direct-to-patient platform to modernize healthcare and resolution to patients experience through TruePill RX. So let's take a look at it. It's on the nurse type deal. Contract center supervisor, nurse care management employee, onboard specialist, quality assurance representative, customer service association, social media manager. So these are all the different types of jobs up under this, and some of these jobs are 30 days old. So I don't know what it is to get filled, but it's plenty job. And let's get to our last one, and it is United Health Group, one of the nation's most diversified healthcare companies. So we won't go all the way in there. Let's just go ahead and look at it. Let's go and take a look at it, take a peek at it. It is quality engineer, compatible manager, accounting consultant, senior business process analyst, okay, full stack development customer analyst. So let me tell you, of the 16 jobs we just recently went through, and I'm not counting, but I'll have this link below in the training. Guys, it's probably at least, if not going to the next page, per actual place, a company, man, it's at least 30 to 40 jobs per site. So it's got to be something out there that you can do or you can get involved with. But yeah, I didn't want to go through all of it, but I'll have the direct link below so you can take a look at it. A lot of jobs. So you got a lot to go through. So I just want to name all 16 of them and just glance over some of the things that we were part of. But one thing I want to say, I hope you enjoyed the video. Before you get out here, I want to get a like. I need to get you subscribed to this channel so you'll be notified the next time I do another video. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.